Hello everyone, I am Nikhil Kumar. Welcome back to the GitHub Actions series. In this video, we are exploring one of the most powerful feature of GitHub Action, that is metrics build. Whether you are testing your code on different operating system, multiple programming languages, version, or a combination of both, metrics build let you do it automatically and efficiently. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a metrics build and use them to supercharge your CI/CD workflow. So let's get started. Let's start with the basic. What are metrics build? Imagine you are testing a Python project and you need to ensure it works on multiple Python versions like 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9 and across different operating systems like Ubuntu, macOS or Windows. Instead of writing separate workflows for each combination, you can use a metric strategy to automate everything in one go. GitHub Actions run each combination as a separate job in parallel. So let me show you how to do it. Let's say we have a Python project and we want to test it on 3 Python version, that is 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9. So let me create one workflow in the GitHub Action directory and I'm giving a name that is metrics build.yml. So let's give a name that is metrics build and it will be running on the push event. So let's start defining the jobs. So job name, I'm giving a test here and it will be running on our Ubuntu-latest runner. And here to define the metrics build, we need to specify the strategy. So what kind of strategy we need to use? That is metrics. And here we are going to specify the Python version. So we are going to test it on 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9. And let's start defining the steps here. So first step is to check out the code. Check out code and it uses our action that is checkout at version 3 and then it will be set the Python virtual environment, set up Python and specifying the metrics.python version, dynamically picking up the version from the metrics thing. And then we are going to use action that is set up Python. So it will set up a Python with a specified version at version 4 and with Python -version and the metrics build version itself. In the next step, it will install the dependencies, that is install dependencies. And here we are going to run a couple of commands. That is Python -m pip install and update pip. So let me give -m here and then it will install the packages using the requirements.txt file, and at last it will run the test and echo running test. So basically what this action does, it will execute the GitHub Actions job in a parallel. So we have uses the action that is set up Python to set the Python version dynamically based on the metrics value. Okay, then we install the dependencies to run the test, and at last we are running the test, that is this one. So here this is a typo, so let me runs -o. So runs on and it should be indented at this level. So indentation error is there, similar to this one. So indentation error. There's one more one. Now we don't have any indentation error as well. So let me commit the changes and let's head over to the actions tab, and we can see there is one more workflow, that is matrix build. And if we click here, there is 3 jobs over there, and all got triggered parallelly. However, it got failed because of some kind of a typo, I guess. So let me go back and go to the matrix build, and if we see here setup Python, so I missed to type S here, that's why it got failed. And let me commit the changes again, and let's head over to the actions tab. For the matrix build, it again triggered the workflow, and it triggered the 3 jobs parallelly for each of the Python version. So if you see, it triggered 3 jobs, that is for the specific version 3.7, 3.8. So parallelly it's running the jobs and perform the test. So at 3.9 it worked fine, and we can see there is no error. It installed all the dependency which is specified in the requirement.txt, and it printed the message as well. So this is the power of matrix build with write once and test everywhere. To quickly recap, matrix build in GitHub Action allow you to test across multiple environments in parallel, combine multiple variables like OS and programming languages versions. So it also saves our time and simplifies our workflow with minimal configuration. And the best part is it's easy to set up, as we just saw. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful to understand and implement the matrix build in GitHub Actions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my other videos for GitHub Actions series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos on the GitHub Actions series. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.